Welcome to the latest update for the Parkville Route 9 Corridor Study Project. My name is Sabin Yanez, Project Manager for our project team of CFS, BNIM, and Davis & Associates. While we've continued to progress nicely with our project work since we held the public meeting a month and a half, 2 months ago, got some great feedback from many of the citizens in the Parkville and Platte County area with respect to future improvements for Route 9. We are working on preliminary design plans for the entire corridor from 45 Highway all the way through downtown Parkville and then east along 9 Highway to the city limits of Riverside. We have progressed the project to a point where we've identified that we can break the corridor into about 11 projects, separate projects, and our goal now will be to look at those project sections and begin to determine how we might help the city prioritize which pieces of the project should go first, which would provide the greatest benefit. We are also in the midst of doing additional follow-up one-on-one meetings with many of the property owners and stakeholders within the corridor. We had met with them once before with 7 or 8 of them, and then some of the other business groups in the community to kind of fill them in on what we were doing and how we were looking at the corridor. Now that we have some preliminary design plans to share with them, we want to go back to the citizens and show them some of these ideas and get some feedback and see if we're headed in the right direction. We do plan on having a second public meeting in the latter part of October to share many of these ideas as we refine them with the general public, and to get one last round of feedback from folks as we prepare to wrap up our work with preliminary design at the end of November. Additionally, we will look at not only these design components, but we are beginning the process of looking at how the corridor with long-term future redevelopment may flourish for the city of Parkville. And so in the next several weeks, we'll be also working with the Mid-America Regional Council to look at when land use changes in the corridor, what does that do to the community's economy and growth, and what are the impacts in that regard. And we'll begin to quantify that and also provide that to the city, the Project Steering Committee, and the Board of Aldermen for their review. We're excited about the opportunities to do that, and one other piece of that work is we're also going to take a look at not only how redevelopment might change the economic picture for Parkville, but then how the city might look at these 11 project sections and figure out a strategy of how to ultimately pay for them or collaborate with the Missouri Department of Transportation, the Mid-America Regional Council, and other sources of funding that might help the city move these projects forward. So with that, we're thrilled to keep moving. This is our latest update, and look for more updates as we post them through the city's website. Thank you.